Welcome everybody. Hello, how are you all doing today? So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make minced meat sauce. This is a quick and easy recipe. Actually, I was just thinking about what to have for dinner and I decided to just put two and two together in my kitchen, and along the line I was like, let me just film this and see how the end result is going to look like, So I started this, and that is why I do not have a pre-recorded list of ingredients, but everything is going to be in the description box. I'll make sure to leave every detail in the description box for you all. So here I'm just sauteing my onion and garlic and ginger mix, and now I'm adding a combination of roughly blended tomatoes, pepper and onion, and I will stir that and allow it to cook till all the water dries up. And as you can see by the side, my water for pasta is boiling now, so this is like a bonus video if I have to call it that. So yeah, so for the pasta, since the water is boiling, I added vegetable oil and some salt to it before I'll pour in my pasta. There's a name they call this particular pasta. I can't remember, but if I remember I'll leave it in the description box below. And as you can see, our sauce is boiling, but this is not what we want. We have to allow all the water to dry up. That is what we're aiming at. So I'll just give this pasta a quick stir to move it around a little bit so they don't stick together, and allow it to cook for about, let's say, 5 to 7 minutes, or it's al dente. So now I'm stirring the pasta, and the reason I did not cover the pot of pasta is because I do not want it to boil over on top of my cooking top, my stove top, sorry. That's why I left it open. As you can see, all the water have dried up in our tomato mixture, and it's time to add the minced meat. Personally, I don't know if anybody else does this, but when I want to cook with minced beef, I always pour my minced beef first into a sifter, and then I'll rinse it under hot water from the tap. I do not like cooking it directly as it's frozen. That's my way. I don't know if anybody else does that, but I feel more comfortable when I rinse it off for a few minutes. So that's exactly what I did. And I just added my beef into the tomato sauce, and I'll break that up a little bit and then give it a stir to combine and leave to cook, because the beef is going to bring out its own juice. So I want those juice to dry up. Don't worry, you understand. Just watch. As you can see, the beef is no longer pink, and you see all those juices, they need to dry up. The beef is going to cook in that juice. And as you can see, our pasta is off, is ready, al dente. I just drained out the excess water and set it aside. So now I'm just seasoning the minced beef sauce with beef seasoning, beef bouillon powder, thyme. This is nutmeg, curry, salt, and yeah, Simple. So after adding the seasoning, I'll just stir everything to combine, and at this moment I decided I need some pop of color in here. So I will be adding some chopped bell peppers. This is red and yellow bell pepper. So I just added that, stir to combine, and off camera I actually will I say reduce now? No, I actually shared the sauce into 2 portions. I saved half of it for later. So yeah, that I did that just before I added the spinach, because I didn't want to finish it all in a day. I didn't want to add my spinach because spinach is best eaten fresh, not when it's not fresh. So guys, that's the end of this video. As you can see, I'm just stirring it and it's ready. I turned off the heat. I'll turn off the heat after stirring this, and that is the end of this video. It's super easy, super tasty, very fast. This was ready in less than 40 minutes and it's so delicious. This is going to be my go-to for pasta now. Thank you all for watching. Bye.